If you want to copy certain elements of your web page into a page on your site or into another site, you can absolutely do this. You can also copy whole pages within your website, but you can't copy them into a different website. So doing it block by block is an option. So first, anytime, any element actually, or blocks are usually cover more stuff. So it's probably a more efficient way to do it if you want to get a whole bunch of areas, but you can copy any old element or a whole entire block. You will see whenever you click on it, there's copy. So I'm going to copy this block, so then it saved it here, and I can just put Thrive Mind header, and now it's available that I can go over here and I can copy it in here. I can also go over to a different website. I could go in here. I won't save my changes this time. And you will see that it's over here as well. So that will allow you to rebuild a page between more than one project. You just copy everything and then just go it's when it's here, you always want to save it. So I'll show you one more time. I'm going to copy this headline and it appears in my copied and I click this gear icon and then I say headline. And then it now is here and it'll be available to me. And that's basically it. Now, if you do want to copy a page within your site and duplicate it and use it, all you have to do is go to your pages here and then you would duplicate. And now you have a copy that you can use within your own website. But the block by block or element by element is the way you can move it over to another site.